possibility of buyers coming back in to try to sweep back up to the highs, but it depends on how they form here. Again, if they're going to make me have to buy high, I'm going to have to do it on smaller size.
Trump says, we think we are going to have good numbers in the coming months.
Trump is on the mic too. All right, long on the NASDAQ again.
80% of small businesses are now open in the US.
Looking for a target at 99.75. All right, well, now they've got that double bottom, and if we break higher, there's a chance that we could rush a lot further up. So I'm going to try to lock a stop in. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. There's that nice pop. So did you see what they did? They manipulated the low. If you've got more contracts, I would be looking for like 410 for the next objective. They manipulated the low and almost trapped them. So when it comes up, every buyer on the planet is going to be approaching that thinking, this has to go now or I don't want it. And that's usually where they get the blow off. Sellers know that. They step aside and wait to sell higher. Nice pop. Got a little bit extra out of that one too.